At RWS, we understand the importance of effective reporting. We've introduced a feature called Labels in Language Weaver that allows admins to set up labels to be able to monitor usage per project and customer or data set type and build enhanced reports at the click of a button. As an admin, you just need to set up a label. Frequently asked questions, for instance, if you want to monitor traffic for the FAQ project. Once labels are defined on the Translate page, all portal users will be able to add a label, FAQs for instance, to the documents they need to translate. Important to note that labels can only be assigned to document translations in the portal or asynchronous translations performed via API calls. Labels must be selected before the translation is performed. They can't be removed after the translation has been done, and they can't be applied retroactively. Deleting a label will prevent users from assigning the label to their document translations, but labels will still be available for selection in the Reporting tab, showing with a strike-through. As soon as translations complete, all volumes will be automatically recorded in the Reports Custom Reports label section. Here, you can also filter on a particular label, wikis for instance. If you want to see volumes translated for the wiki label, you can add language pairs to get a list of language pairs when the wiki has been used. Also, check who are the users who use the label, remove the filter if no longer needed, and export to Excel for further analysis. This feature is especially useful if admins need to bill back translation volumes to end customers, or simply want to monitor business performance over any period of time, enhancing their ability to make more informed, evidence-based decisions. Thank you for watching. Don't hesitate to reach out if you have any questions.